Teachers, being one is the highest privilege, and having one is the best blessing. So happy Teachers Day to everyone, and I'm recording this special video on a Teachers Day to announce the name of Learning Hub. So I'm so happy to announce this name. A few days back actually I started one survey where I just wanted to see that where you all actually get connected when I'm talking about Learning Hub name. So I got few advice, lot of recommendation on this particular name, and based on that this is what I have finalized. So the Learning Hub will be named as Vision Gurukul, and I'm so happy to actually get this name out of survey, and which was in my mind as well, which is very close to my heart. And I'll just tell you why Vision and why Gurukul. So some of you have told me that Vision Gurus. Now that's what is a vision of this Gurukul, to create those Vision Gurus while going through this curriculum. So why Vision and why Gurukul is basically my journey. When I see, I always carried a vision that where I want to move, and that what actually brought me where I am today. So I feel the curriculum what I want to take you through these particular courses is to create those visionaries. I want you to become a visionary, going out and working with society and creating more leaders and visionaries again. And that's the vision I'm carrying. And why Gurukul? When I study or when I go back and understand that what was the learning pattern and why those Rishimonis or saints used to be there, making difference to the society in those days, and why that percentage, or why we can't see those in this particular world now. Of course there are few people, but then what is that reason? What was that difference between that pattern and today's pattern? So I understand that Gurukul is where the Shishyas or student used to go and live there and study the subjects. So they used to actually remove all the distractions from family and the routine life, from their regular living at home, and they used to live in the Gurukul. And removing that distraction, this is what actually used to bring their complete focus on those studies. So I understand that focus is very, very important and essential when you really want to make a difference through the learning what you really want to do in your life. So first is focus, second is teamwork. There used to be a lot of teamwork when all these students used to be at one place to study some subject and implement in their life. So these two out of many other important principles I really want to focus when you all go through the curriculum with this Vision Gurukul. I want to bring that focus, removing a lot of distraction in your life, and I want you to go with that principle of teamwork and implementing practically how that teamwork really makes a difference. That is what actually you will understand while going through the curriculum in the Vision Gurukul. So that's what is a Vision Gurukul will be. Now when I'm talking about focus, I just want to give an example that in today's world, mobile is the biggest distraction. And trust me, how many of you, just if you internalize and introspect to understand that, how frequently you go back and see your mobile, and how many times that notification pops up and that ping pong noise, and you just get distracted from what you are doing. Trust me, these distractions are the primary reason behind not getting the result what you are doing in your life. So there are such kind of distractions. In my life, how I implemented is basically 2 years back when I used to get involved with network marketing. I used to use the mobile tremendously. Like I was the person, like I was frequently used to check mobile, and I used to feel responsible for responding every one of my team member, and I used to do it diligently. But then when I left it, for almost 2 years on my mobile, I don't have any notification. I don't check my mobile frequently. Only if I am coordinating on any particular subject and I am talking to someone, I will check it. Otherwise, I keep my mobile in some different room, and I sit in a different room when I'm working on anything. So that's how the importance of focus I understood, and I started implementing it. Now similarly, teamwork, when you go back and check, like in our schools or in our education pattern, we always worked in a team. That was a team, right? When you are in a classroom, you are actually with your friends, your colleagues, and you are sitting in a room and studying any subject, and that's how you used to work. Then when you started doing a job, or even if you are an entrepreneur or working on any particular subject, you realize that you are always with a team, with a colleague, with your boss. It's a teamwork. But I realize that when you really want to work on your life, and when you really want to take out some of the best from yourself and work out as a entrepreneur. Now why entrepreneur, that also I'll come to that point. But then you start keeping yourself in isolation, which is completely wrong. So here, when you learn these subjects, I'm going to make sure that you're working in a team, and how that is done, that also you will learn here. So focus is first and most important topic which you really need to understand when you're working on yourself, on your self growth. And second is teamwork, which is one of the best aspect of our life, which we need to implement while working on self growth and entrepreneurship, or even working to find out what brand you will be working on. So these are the two important principles which actually connected me with a Gurukul, and that's why I decided that Vision Gurukul is the place where those visionaries will be created, or I'll be coaching and training them to become a visionary and go out and work for the society. Now when I'm talking about digital lifestyle and those subject, I've actually few days back I've released the pathway, the journey of the digital lifestyle. In that I have given 3 steps through which you will go through. Now the first step, now why digital? Digital is a platform to connect with your subject to the society, and that's why the digital lifestyle comes. Now whatever subject you want to work on, you need to connect with people, and today's world, today's generation, and this particular innovated digital platform gives me a real solution to connect with people, and that's why digitalization is very important. Now first phase what you go through in Vision Gurukul is to become that person within to attract the success, and that's what actually I have given in the pathways as well. So first phase will be attracting that success, becoming that person within to attract that success, and that's the phase where actually I am going deep and making you understand why it is important in the first phase itself to declutter from lot of aspects in your life, lot of beliefs and faith, and then attain to that success to become that attractive person. And the second phase, where you will learn how to become self-reliant, in decision making, how to become self-reliant in decluttering what is not required and getting attached to what is really required for your success. That's what is the second phase, where again in the first phase when I'm talking about attracting the success, I'm also teaching you how to create your course, how to go digital, and how to launch your course. In the second phase, when I'm talking about becoming self-reliant on each aspect of your life, I'm also giving you digital tools to connect with social media, how to create your influence, how to do that marketing and everything with the advanced techniques. Then the third phase, where I'm talking about becoming visionary, becoming that leader who will go out in that society and work on your subject or work on your own brand. I want you to be a brand and go out and work with the society to create more brands and more leaders. And these are the three phases which you will go through when you are in part of the Vision Gurukul. And it's such a profound knowledge which I learned from my own experience in my life, in my own journey, which phases actually I went through to become an entrepreneur or to come to this stage where I can actually share my knowledge with you all. And that's very, very important that these phases has to be there in your life, where you learn how to be that person within so that you can attract that success, and then how to become a self-reliant, to become self-independent. And then when you attain all these self-growth, it is not important that you work on your own vision and your own platform instead of working for somebody else as an employee or anything. I want you to be an entrepreneur working on your own brand, create your own brand, and go out and transfer that knowledge or talk to people what you really want to give to them, and be a visionary. And that's why these three phases, and that's why this is Vision Gurukul. So I hope that you are really getting connected with the subjects what I really want to deliver to you. And initially, as I started, that was in the month of June when I declared about digital lifestyle and starting my own coaching hub. That was my beginning, and I started learning and exploring myself. Today I've learned a lot, and I'm learning, and this will be a continuous for my lifelong. And that's how actually I learned from each phase of my life. So just a brief about where I'm today in terms of business and in terms of launching all these courses. I have actually started learning, and there are many challenges when I'm talking about setting up a learning hub and creating a business here in UAE. Now we are in a phase of setting up payment gateways, and there are changes on the website. If you go and visit website www.vittalmane, you will see that there are some credit card logos on the footer. There is a privacy policy, terms and conditions which are added. So these are all learning which I'm going through, and it is taking time, and I'm happy. I'm really happy that it is taking time and I'm going through those learning, because I really want personally to go through each and every challenge, so that when you are getting coached or when I am coaching you, I want to make sure that I really transfer every solution to every challenge, so that you don't go through these phases. And that's why this is taking little time. And I'm sure that September is a month where we will start professionally, we'll start everything as soon as possible. And I'll keep you updated through this communication, and I'll talk to you again soon with more and more updates. So keep watching, keep listening to my videos, keep watching me, and I'll keep you updated on the next subjects as well. So I hope you all are excited as well to become a part of Vision Gurukul, and I'll see you soon again. Bye.